Xcel wants a judge to get rid of a lawsuit that blames the utility company for the Marshall Fire. It's a good reminder that 6 months later, investigators still have not revealed a cause. 9 Wants to Know has shown 3 possibilities: burning on private property near the origin, coal seams burning underground, and arcing power lines. A March lawsuit focused on the arcing power lines and Xcel, a lawsuit that Xcel wants dismissed.
Oh!
Xcel wants a judge to toss a lawsuit that blames the utility for being a substantial factor in the cause, origin, and continuation of the Marshall Fire, in part because of this video showing an arcing power line near the origin of the fire at Marshall Road over Highway 93. In court filings seeking to have the potential class action lawsuit dismissed, Xcel wrote the video does not show sparks igniting a fire. Rather, it shows that the Marshall Fire was already ablaze. After the arcing power line video, more footage shows the smoke well into Superior.
For dismissal at this early stage, you have to consider whatever's in the complaint as true.
9 News legal analyst Scott Robinson explains that a liability lawsuit seeking to become a class action lawsuit can lay out broad claims to start, but eventually needs to be able to back them up as fact.
You have to show that Xcel's conduct was not just negligent, but that it either caused or contributed to the cause of the Marshall Fire.
Xcel also wants the lawsuit tossed because of something called the filed rate doctrine. This refers to tariffs approved by state regulators, the Public Utilities Commission, the PUC. Tariffs that dictate how Xcel constructs, operates, and maintains its equipment. Xcel says the lawsuit shows no facts that the company failed to comply with those standards set by state regulators.
This is a bit of an extension to basically say, since we're governed by the PUC, we can't be liable no matter how careless or negligent we are. That may be a step too far for that doctrine.
Bottom line, for the lawsuit against Xcel to have legs, dots will need to be connected. That an arc like this led to or contributed to the fire, or that Xcel was negligent with its equipment.
You got to show causation, and without it, you've got no claim that would ever get to a jury.
This lawsuit is seeking to be a class action. It's in the early stages. This request by Xcel to have it dismissed is the typical step after being notified of the lawsuits. Interestingly, every judge in Boulder District Court recused themselves from this case. It may get shifted to Denver Court, but right now a Jefferson County judge is overseeing the case.